not being able to comment on TikTok? Well, let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix or what you can do if you're not able or unable to comment on TikTok. Now, the first thing is privacy settings. If you open up the app and head into the profile icon that you can find on the bottom right corner of your screen and head into three-line icon on the top right corner of the screen, you'll find the three options here. Head into settings and privacy and head into the privacy option, and if you scroll down below you'll find the comments option under interactions. Now here you'll find the option comments, and under comments you'll find three options. Now if the video you're trying to comment on, if the user of the video has set this option or feature to no one, then you won't be able to comment on that video or no one else will be able to comment on it. But if he has set to followers that you follow back, then you might want to first follow that person and then try commenting. Now if this isn't the case and you are not being able to comment on any of the video, then it might be that TikTok has banned you or restricted you from commenting on videos. This might happen due to various reasons. Now it might be that you spammed commenting and the TikTok flagged you as spam and then restricted you from commenting. Now however, if this happens, you don't need to worry, as the ban will be uplifted or the restriction will be uplifted within few hours or a few days. So all you have to do is wait and you'll be able to comment back again. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.